Hi guys, Kaz here from Kaz Lifestyle. I'm glad you've tuned in. Today we're focusing on a 30-minute workout that you can do from home. And all you need is a set of dumbbells. So before we get into it, like and subscribe if you see value in these videos. Now today's workout is going to focus on a cardio exercise workout that's going to help us warm up, followed by 2 minutes of stretching. And we're going to get into our full body workout with the dumbbells. So stay tuned and let's do this.
Check it out.
Okay guys, we're gonna start off with cardio in this workout. Now you can do jumping jacks or skip ropes. If we're inside, it's a little bit difficult to do skip ropes. So what I've taken is a set of skip ropes here, cut them up, made some knots, and we're gonna get into it just to show you how it's done. Okay, we got the cardio out. Now we're going to focus on stretches before we go into our full body workout. So let's just start by spreading our feet. Try to do it as far as wide, or just spread it as far wide as you can. And let's just go down by keeping your back straight at all time. Now, if you can't really touch the mat, that's totally fine. You don't need to overdo it. We're just going to focus on feeling that stretch a little bit. Letting your spine stretch. Coming up now, slowly. We'll stretch our rib cage a little bit to get started. All right, after that, you want to go into stretching your legs just a little bit before working out. Always keeping your spine straight. Hold this position for a few seconds, 10-15 seconds. Now we're going to go into stretching our hips. Very important to keep your back straight at all times. Try to get that stretch. Stretch the glutes, the hamstrings, squats, switch legs. All right, you want to come back up now. Keep your back straight. Pretty much done for the stretching session that we're going to do. Just a little bit of a warm up before we get into our full body workout. This session should probably take you 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes to complete. Just want to do these movements to get the body going. Okay, we're not going into our full body workout. We're going to start off with our legs. Very important part. Now, before we start, we're going to do a superset between dumbbell squats and stiff leg deadlifts. We're gonna do each exercise back to back for 20 seconds each. Now, if you don't have a set of dumbbells, try to do more than 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds body weight, but still do the variation alternating between the dumbbell squat and the stiff leg squat. So let's do this. So you're gonna go into feet are gonna be shoulders apart. You're gonna bend down, chair position, almost imaginary chair. Grab the dumbbell. It's almost like a deadlift. You come up. gonna switch sides here so you can see what it looks like from the side. And we're just gonna continue that. Keeping your back straight, chin tucked, looking forward, looking straight forward every time. Just gotta focus on motion. Keeping it slow and steady. Do this for 20 seconds. Now, as you're working out your glutes, hamstrings, and quads, you're actually working out your back too, because now you're making extra efforts to hold the weight. So almost like a back workout at the same time. So now we're gonna go into our superset, which is the stiff leg deadlift. Same thing, you're gonna do it right after your dumbbell squats. We're gonna grab the weight, feet shoulder apart. You can put them a little bit in, back straight. We're gonna go in. You wanna keep your legs, you wanna keep your knees bent a little bit here without going to locking them out. So bend a little bit, back straight, head forward, and you're going down. Hold, come up. If you're going with light weight or if you're doing it body weight, you probably want to go for 15 to 20 reps. And that's how it's done. Slow, steady. It's one of the best exercises for your glutes and hamstrings. Always keeping the body bar steady. Okay, next up we got our back exercise, which is a row. Now you're gonna grab the dumbbells, we're gonna bend our knees slightly forward, and our head is forward too, and you're gonna pull this up as far as you can, hitting your chest. If you don't have weights or a set of dumbbells, you can probably do this with exercise resistance bands. Now we're gonna take this, lower it as far as we can, come back up, slowly hold it in, go down. These are an amazing exercise for your V-tapered shape that you want to get and to tone your back muscles. Okay, next up, shoulder raises. What we want to do is hold the weight up 90 degrees, come back down. You keep your spine straight, your stomach tucked in. We're going up. Okay, next up, we're doing chest exercises. We're gonna do a chest press. There's two ways of doing this. You either have a Swiss ball like this that you can use, or if you don't have a Swiss ball, it's totally fine. You can use the floor, your back against the floor flat, and you do your chest presses. You may not be able to go down all the way, maybe just 90 degrees, and you come back up if your back is against the floor. But we're gonna go straight into this exercise right now with a Swiss ball, which is gonna give you an amazing pump. You want to take the weights, depending on how heavy they are, and bounce them off your knees to give you an assistance like this. We're going to go into this, and you push up. Make sure that you're always keeping the weight steady up and down, and that you're not jerking the movements. It's all about form. Try to get 10 to 15 reps out of this one here by keeping and stabilizing yourself slowly. All right, next up we got arms. You want to start off with biceps. Feet shoulder width apart, making sure that your buttocks are tight and your tummy's tucked in. Now just pull this up. We want to control the weight up and down slowly. Hold it up here, go down. This is an amazing exercise for your biceps. It's really one of the oldest exercises in the book for biceps. That's really all you need to work your biceps. Try to get 15 to 20 reps with a light weight and you're good to go with this.
Next up, we have our triceps. For this exercise, we're going to try the tricep kickbacks. Grab the dumbbell, bend over, and you want to bring it up like this. Try to do 10 to 15 of these slowly, and then you alternate sides. Okay, for our final exercise, we've got our abs. We're gonna do an ab twist by grabbing the weight. If you don't have a dumbbell, you can just grab anything else that you have, maybe a heavy book at home or something, and go from side to side. Okay everyone, that pretty much sums up our exercise routine. It shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes, and if you do it consistently 3 to 4 times a week or even every day, if you have the time for it, you will see benefits and the results. Now, just to recap what we have done, we started out with our HIIT training, which was jumping jacks or skip ropes for about 45 seconds. You're gonna do this circuit 3 times, and every time you restart the circuit of the full body workout and the HIIT, you wanna start with the 45 seconds of HIIT. If you can't do the jumping jacks, you've got the skip ropes, which I showed you earlier. They can cut your skip ropes and do pretty much skip ropes anywhere. Secondly, we went into stretches. Now stretches, you can just do it the first time around, or you can stretch between the circuits too if you'd like to. And then when we did the full body workout, we started with dumbbell squats and we went into a superset for stiff leg deadlifts. These are amazing exercises for your legs to tone and put on lean muscle. Then we went into back rows, which is gonna help you get that V-tapered shape. You always wanna make sure that you keep form and focus on your form so you're not bending over too much or you're overexposing yourself for injury. Then we went into shoulder raises, making sure that we raise that up this high and we're doing it in a moderate pace. As many as you can, 15 to 20 reps would be amazing. Then we went into chest presses. There's 2 ways that you can do this, either laying flat with the dumbbells on the floor or you're doing it on a Swiss ball. If you don't have a Swiss ball, try it with light weights on the ground. And then we went into arms, bicep curls, and bicep curls are an amazing exercise for your arms. They pretty much work the whole bicep. And then we went into kickback triceps. You want to make sure that you're not overexposing yourself by overdoing it, but at least go steady and slowly. Now, as always, if you like these videos, like and subscribe. We are trying to grow this channel and your help and support is very encouraging to my team and I, because we put a lot of time and effort into it. So if you see a benefit, please do like and subscribe and stay consistent, stay blessed, and stay safe. Till next time.